In many scenarios, obtaining water samples from specific locations and depths is critical. Speedip V2, together with DJI M350 or other UAVs, can collect water samples at designated locations and depths, revolutionizing water sampling operations while enhancing personnel safety. Speedip V2 has powerful environmental situational awareness, giving operators full confidence even during complex long-distance operations. With its elegant mechanical and electronic design, Speedip V2 is extraordinarily lightweight, maximizing UAV's payload capacity for carrying water samples. 4 types of containers are available for different situations. The smart motion control logic adjusts the container's movement speed based on the sampling stage, resulting in a much smoother sampling process, more precise depth control, and more representative water samples. In long-term operations, avoiding rope tangling is crucial. Speedip V2 is equipped with a unique rope tension and tangling detection mechanism that automatically stops and warns the operator when the container touches the ground or when the rope is about to tangle, minimizing the possibility of irreversible tangling. The optimized mechanical components also enhance the reliability and stability of the device. When the container is trapped, Speedip V2's emergency releasing function cuts the rope and brings the UAV back, so that loss can be minimized. It also has other user-friendly functions, such as setting remote target, semi-coupled connection, and winch odometer. Speedip V2 can be used in both routine and emergency scenarios, improving operational efficiency, personnel safety, and working comfort for many industries.